Hey guys. Okay, so yesterday I talked about trying to move the animation service, create a new animation. I did create a new animation service, and I was trying to move um, functionality out of the Three.js service and into the animation service. And I did take an initial stab at it, and it failed miserably. And what I was trying to update was this update mesh for time. There's four of them, right? There's update scene for time, update light for time. Um, so if I go to that, basically what we have is this thing right here, this animation time, and that basically made that moving it impossible because the this inside the uh, animation service is not the same this as the this inside the Three.js service. So basically what I did was I passed that the animation time in, but I never did go ahead and update this. So you know what and I noticed that right before this video, but I had already kind of built out this little animation that I was going to use. Um, so this animation is pretty cool. It's got four meshes, a left, right, and top and bottom, and then it's got the focal, which is the mesh that kind of just stays in front of the camera, it just sort of moves along with that camera. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to the animations, and I'm gonna make it to where I'm gonna go look at the Z position, and for the focal, I'm just gonna have it stay at -18 on the Z. So now we kind of come to it instead of it floating in front. Um, so if I hit pause here, you can't see anything. And the main reason you can't see anything is because the scene is solid black at this point. When you go over here, you can see, and the scene is solid red at this point. So it's animating the scene along with the uh, position of the camera. And we basically just have lights all the way down with no light indicator. Just there's a collection of lights. Um, there's a red one at -1, a green one at -7, and a blue one. So you know what I could do is I could take my red. Oh, and then I have a white one that's sitting at 0, 0. So um, I'm just gonna go ahead and make that one red too. See what we get. That's actually pretty cool that way. So I think that looks pretty cool. Let's go and turn the animation back on. Yeah, I like that a lot better actually. And then let's see. But that's basically all there is to that. It's just a groovy little animation. Um, Now, what I need to do, okay, so there's a major thing that just happened. I noticed when I was creating a, a, a Angular application this morning that Angular has upgraded to Angular 18. So I'm gonna have to do a bunch of upgrades on various applications that I'm maintaining. Um, but I'll definitely do this one and talk about it on camera. I think that but next from maintenance perspective, outside of that, beyond doing the upgrade, I'm going to use this animation time uh, and replace this animation times that I have through these, and then see if I can lift and shift this code over to the um, animation uh, service. So that is probably up next. Shouldn't be too bad. Like it should be the process should kind of go like this. So I have this animation time here. When I do this, I'm going to lose my. It's going to redraw the thing, and it should be able to do this. Paste that. Paste that. And paste this. And then that's all there is in this file, this update mesh for time. Hit save. And then we get a new, um, we don't have any problems or anything like that. Let me look at the console. Yeah, we don't have any issues. So then I should be able to take this update mesh for time now, since it's totally it's a pure function now. Now it doesn't need anything outside of itself to run, and it's idempotent. It's gonna return the same thing every time. So that makes it a lot easier to maintain. And I'm going to go into the animation service and just paste it in here. And then I need to pull these guys in from ThreeJS or from my interfaces that I'd created before. So it looks like we're good. And then copy update mesh for time. I believe I'm already importing the service, animation service, but maybe not. It looks like I am not importing animation service. So we'll do that real quick. I thought I named it animation service equals, and then I believe we've already got the new input. No, we do not. And I don't remember off the top of my head. I think all we do is do this input. And then, okay, so let's go ahead and look at like something in the toolbox. Pretty much everybody does an input of this service. So, oh, inject, not input, huh? Inject. That's what's so hard about. So instead of input, we want inject. Input is what you use to create inputs and outputs for binding between your child and parent. Inject. Now we have our animation service, and now we got a bunch of broken stuff. So let's go ahead and scroll down to where the red is. You'll see there's some red down there at the bottom. So instead of this update time, we want this dot animation service. This dot animation service dot, and then escape. I believe there's one more. Nope, there's more than one more, it looks like. And actually, like a good way to do this is like if I hit save now, it'll tell me, oh, this is broken right here. So I can just click this and then save and kind of just let the compiler do the work for you. It's a pretty nice way to do that. But yeah, I just need to do that for all of those, and just basically just start thoughtfully moving as many animation type things into the animation service as I can. And then so I'm going to do that, and then the next thing after that is going to be to upgrade to Angular 18. So we just kind of want to just do a quick check to make sure that animations still work. And there we go. Animations are still working. So that's that. It's pretty easy. And happy coding, everybody. Bye.